Okay, now here's a question 2. Now question 2, the physical sciences paper 2, chemistry. This is a November question paper from 2017. Right, ifundeka ngale ndlela ke. Okay, question 2 or 2.1, but he studied the structural formula below. Okay, this structure in a 1 2 3 4 5 6 yama carbon atoms, and then siba nama oxygens I2 somewhere in the middle of the structure. So for this compound, write down the following, right? 2.1.1, write down the homologous series to which it belongs. So njengoba point out lapha in the middle sithola COO. This is an ester. So 2.1.1 sidila nama esters. These are esters. Angisho siyazi ukuthi the functional group for ama ester it's C, and then on your left komele ube nani, ube ne bathini lento le, a group of carbon atoms angisho bonded to the main structure. So it's C, it's RO C O R. So lana siyazi ukuthi sidila nelo kanje ne-ester la, right? So the homologous series to which it belongs is esters. 2.1.2. Give the IUPAC name. Give the IUPAC name. Okay, lana ngizo-assume ukuthi you did ama esters, esterification reaction in class. So check out esterification reaction. Asho siyazi ukuthi ama esters are formeka through an esterification reaction. That's a reaction between an alcohol as well as a carboxylic acid. So the IUPAC name for ama esters is sort of like a two-part name. It's a two-part name. Yes, it's a two-part name where the first part of the name is being adopted from ama alcohols, and then the second part of the name is being adopted from the carboxylic acid part of iloganje of the reaction. So siyazi ukuthi ama esters are being formed by an alcohol plus a carboxylic acid to form a ester and H2O, water, amanzi, right? So the alcohol and the carboxylic acid is a ester. So when naming a ester, when giving the IUPAC name of a ester, you need to give it the alcohol part plus the carboxylic acid part of the reaction. So an ester is just a combination of the alcohol nani, the carboxylic acid. So check out. The oxygen is associated with the loganje, with the alcohol part. Ngoba usakhumbula ku condensation, angisho the esterification sibana something esithi condensation. The condensation is just simply a term esinikezayo for the formation of water during the reaction. So uma kenzeka condensation sibonile ukuthi siyazi ukuthi from the alcohol part, the hydroxyl group, hydroxyl group sithatha ini only the hydrogen. Then ku carboxylic group, asho siba no loganje, no, what's this man, siba no, yeah, oh yeah, and then ku carboxylic group siba nani, carboxylic acid group siba no CO and then OH. Angisho the OH part iyaphuma combine no H from the alcohol to form what? H2O. So the structures forming ngokuthi this bond carbon izobonda na this part of the oxygen part of the alcohol. So therefore this part iphuma from the alcohol, and then this part iphuma from the carboxylic acid, and then this part iphuma from the alcohol part. So siyabona ukuthi this part was once a ethanol. This was once a ethanol, and then this part was once buthanoic acid. So the IUPAC name for this compound is going to be ethyl buthanoate. Isoba ethyl buthanoate. Angisho alcohol part, carboxylic part, and then at the end kwamele ufake lo oate. Angithi? So 2.1.3 now. IUPAC name of the organic acid used in its preparation. So already saying you mentioned la. So this is the alcohol part, and then this is what? The carboxylic part. So therefore the acid used in its preparation is buthanoic acid. It's the buthanoic acid. Now 2.1.4. Now the for this compound, write down the structural formula of its straight chain functional isomer. Okay, here an ester and a carboxylic acid. An ester and a carboxylic acid are functional isomers to each other. Functional isomers. So a functional isomer, I'm sure it's an isomer in a same chemical formula but different structures due to the position or due to ama functional groups. So in this case, the structural formula of its straight chain functional isomer bakhuluma this compound this ester. So thina sizofuna what? A functional isomer for the structure and siyazi ukuthi a carboxylic acid iba the COOH. This part of this part or the functional group carboxylic acid siyazi ukuthi it's COO, and it's found at the end or the beginning of the chain. So therefore sizoshifta only this part of or this part of the structure shiftele to the end, to one of the ends of this ester. So into soyenza sizothatha lo COO simbeke ngapha, but the O must be bonded to one hydrogen. So sizothi okay, lo C le carbon le na le carbon le na le carbon, including nalama hydrogens wakhona, azo remain the same. The only thing engishiftayo is this, ngiyoyibeka at the end, ngiyotshontsha one of the hydrogen ngibonde with the O. So izothi CH OH. Okay, so since in shifter low, it means the carbon lena le carbon le izoza ngapha ize ngapha. So we are going to see it's this carbon lena, and then this C, it's this carbon, and then this C. Yeah. Okay, anyway, it's OH la, and then it's H. Yeah. Now functional isomer together. My functional isomer to 2.1.3. Oh, no more I draw the other way around. Usazothola, it's still the same. It's still the same answer, Nakon. It's still the same answer. It's still the same answer. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay, yeah, you're right again. Now, sesiyaku 2.2. This group noma ingaba ngapha, it's still fine. It's still fine. Write down the structural formula of 4-methyl pentan 2,1. So this is a ketone. Lana still a ketone. We are dealing with a ketone. So this is 2.2. This is 2.2. It's what? It's 4-methyl pentan 2,1. Pentan 2,1. Okay, let's start counting from the left to the right. So C. All right, bega. Now draw my structures. Angisho siyazi ukuthi an IUPAC name needs to have a prefix, ne? Ibuye ibe nani? Even a stem or the parent chain, and then ibuye even nani? Ibuye even a suffix. Ibuye even a suffix. So this is the suffix. Isitshela ukuthi nge homologous series ukuthi this compound belongs to which homologous series. The suffix is telling a homologous series or a functional group, and then the stem is telling the parent chain in a how many carbon atoms. So pent means what? 5. And then prefix is telling ama branches akhona kuleyo parent chain or the stem. So the pent simply means it in the main chain sina 5 yama carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now 5 carbon atoms, and then on the second carbon atom 1, 2 sibane ketone, sibane functional group yani a ketone. So therefore is over 1, 2 bonded to a carbon. Sorry, the carbon atom is bonded to an oxygen, right? And then on the fourth carbon atom sibanani 1, 2, 2 sibani functional group 3, 4. On the fourth atom carbon atom sibanani sibane methyl group, methyl alkyl group. So therefore nasi structure sethu sengifaka net lama hydrogens nje kuphela. Asho siyazi ukuthi a ketone kwamele sibale a ketone kwamele sikhombise the location of a functional group yakhona if your parent chain even a 5 or more carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So lana sina 5 yama carbon atoms, so it means the functional group must be assigned a number. So lana it's carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4. So lana na hydrogen. So lana it's hydrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. So therefore this is our functional group on the second carbon atom. So this is our structure for this IUPAC name. 2.3. Do we have a 2.3? Yes. So 2.3 now, but to consider the structural formula below. For this compound, write down the general formula of the homologous series to which it belongs. So uyabona ukuthi kubaluleke kanjani ukuthi uwazi ama general formulas for general formulas for homologous series akhona ku organic chemistry. So now atikhombe again. So lana this structural formula uyasibona because of the triple bond isitshela ukuthi sidila nani, sidila ne-alkyne, actually sine-alkane, alkene, ne-alkyne. I hope I'm pronouncing the gamma right. Alkyne. So 2.3, this is 2.3.1. I'm talking about an alkyne. An alkyne siba nama triple bonds. In alkyne. So therefore the general formula yakhona, the general formula for ama alkynes, for ama alkyne is what? CnH2n-2. Yes. 2.3.2. Please. Ama general formulas wakho for ama homologous series, please wa study now. Was ungawa cream or understand, right? Now 2.3.2 give the IUPAC name. So therefore uma ngabe bakupha a structure, the first thing okumele identify is the longest chain, right? As counted from left to right. Why am I counting from left to right? The triple bond must be assigned the lowest number. Ngisho bheka nangcounter from left to right, it's 1, 2, 3. The third carbon atom ithola the smallest number, but nangcounter from left to right. And like I'm supposed to count from, I'm supposed to be saying komele counter from right to left, not left to right, but from right to left. It's 1, 2, 3. The triple bond it all out 3, but now counter from left to right. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. We have one. From left to right, the carbon atom associated with the triple bond it all out 4, but from right to left, 1, 2, 3. The triple bond, the carbon atom associated with the triple bond it all out the lowest number of 3, but the longest chain yiphi la? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it doesn't matter ukuthi ngithatha sole chain yami, the longest chain, or this way or this way. So mina ngithanda ukuthi chain yami ibe a straight line. So sina ngaki? Sina 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon atoms go the longest chain. So therefore our stem is over hept 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's hept. It's hept. The stem is still with this in a 7 carbon atoms, and then siba the suffix. The suffix is an alkyne, but the triple bond is found on the third is found on the third carbon atom. Then siba ne prefix again. The prefix sikhuluma ngama branches, so it's 1 2. The first branch ubani 2 1 2. The first branch ethyl, methyl. 2 methyl, methyl. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5 isithola ini? Sithola ilo kanje, sithola 5, isithola ilo kanje, ethyl ke manje. Ethyl. So lana it's ethyl, methyl. 2 methyl, 5 ethyl. And then go 6 is sithola another methyl. Go 6 sithola another methyl. So I want good, okay, since it's not 2 yama methyl, so therefore let's change this to what? 2 6 dimethyl. So therefore the full name is otini. Remember sicala ngani? Komele silandelise lama branches wethu alphabetically on the prefix part of the name, ne? So therefore soqala ngo E, silandele ngobani? Ngo M, ignoring the di and the tri, angisho? So therefore izoti 5 ethyl dash 2 6 dimethyl hept dash 3 dash YNE. So this is our final answer. This is our final answer, guys. So video etiphelela lana for 13 marks. This was a giveaway, man. So thanks for watching. In the description below uzothola ama links for the other questions for this question paper. In this video I was only answering question 2. So thanks for watching. Nangabu enjoy, leave a thumbs up. Nangabu nama questions, or if I did a blunder, please leave a comment in the comment section and let us discuss. Share nabangani bakho if uthola this video informative. And nangabu new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Ungakhohlwa ukuklikka lama links in the description below because azokunceda now. Bye bye.